Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to change the clutch on your Powakaddy Freeway or Powakaddy Classic golf trolley. For the process you'll need a 3mm punch and a conventional hammer, and we'll run you through section by section the removal and then the replacement of the new clutch. Okay, so the first thing we do in changing the clutch is to remove the wheel from the trolley to allow us access to where the clutch is. I have a little tool that I've made to support the axle. You don't necessarily need to use this tool. You can use any other little block of wood, something like that, to support the axle here. So you start with the roll pin pointing upwards, and you take your 3mm punch and just remove the roll pin from the trolley and just wiggle off the old clutch and replace with the new clutch. It's a good idea just to start the roll pin into the new clutch. Just 2 taps to line that up, slide it back into position, put your support back in and use your punch just to tap the roll pin back into place. You can see the roll pin comes out top and bottom, so it's supported all the way through. Refit your wheel and you're ready for the golf course.